Hello everyone. Today we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to extract year from a data with the help of the formula tool in case of Alteryx. So for this purpose we will require to input a data with the help of this input data tool. I have taken this input data tool in the canvas, and with the help of the formula tool we can apply the formula, but before that we have to connect it with the data. So it will redirect us to the data connection window. So here we have to select a file. Click on the files, click on select file. Now go to this particular file which is named as sage 2017 copy. Click on open. So if there will be multiple sheets, it will be asked you to select an option. So I'll select this option as 50 records or click on OK. So the preview will be available in this particular configuration pane. I will just click on run so that the results workflow will be available. Yeah. So over here there are 6 fields. It means that there are 6 columns. 6 columns are there. So these are nothing but the 6 columns. So we will only extract this particular 2017, this particular year. We will make a new column, and in that particular column we will extract this particular year. So I'll go to this preparation tab. I'll bring this formula tool over here, connect it with the input data tool. Now over here you can find out a plus sign. Click on that plus sign. Now click on this particular drop down. Click on this plus sign. We will make a new column over here. We will add a new column. We will write the name as order year. We will go to this particular window and we will type as year. So you can see over here year time year in bracket dt, it is displayed. Click on tab. Now what we have to do, we have to remove this particular dt in the bracket, and from here we have to apply this. We have to select it. We have to apply this to the order date. Click on tab. So the data type is v underscore w string. So over here you can see the preview also, data preview 2017. So you can select the data type, different types of data types. You can select this in 16, in 32, in 64. So time being I'll keep this as it is. So I'll just click outside and I will just click on run. So previously there was only 6 fields, 6 columns. Now there will be 7 columns because we have added a new column named as order year. Yes. So 7 of 7 fields are there. You can see over here a new column is added, order year and 2017. We have extracted this year. We have mentioned it in the order year. So likewise, we can extract this. This is 2014. So the date is 26 6 2014. So 26 June 2014. So we have extracted the year 2014. So this data 2015 data. So likewise, we can do this 2012, 2013, likewise 2012. So likewise, we can extract the year. We can also extract the month also.